in today's video, I'll show you how I make $150 monthly on the web novel. Of course, guys, this is it, guys. I'll show you real payment proof. So now, as you can see, you have received a new payment right here, and of course, this is $150 from new reading, and of course, this was sent on the Tuesday, 25th August, right here, and you can see this is Payoneer right here. I actually got this payment right here in my Payoneer account. So now I'll show you another one to show you that this is not a one-time thing. All right. So now let me scroll down a little bit. So as you can see, this is another one. Payoneer. I actually received another payment on Wednesday, 29th July, right here. So this is another one, $150, and this is my name right here. So I'm actually showing this to let you know that I know what I'm talking about. All right. So now let me show you another payment right here. Guys, now here's another one. You have received a payment, and this was sent on Monday, 29th June, right here. So as you can see, this is $250.05 from new reading, and this is my name right here. So guys, now this is it, guys. Now let me show you this on my GoodNovel account. So guys, of course, I'll show you different platforms you can simply write and get paid, not just GoodNovel, right? And of course, I'll show you how you can start writing using my exact workflow. So please stick with me right to the end of this video. All right, so now this is it, guys. So now as you can see, I want to show you my income history right here. So I want to tap right here and change this right here. I'll start from May. So now this is it, guys. As you can see, $250.05 payment successful. I believe you saw this earlier on right here. This is it, $250.05, which was sent. So now another one right here is this. Now let me go back. Another one right here is this. I'll simply come to June. As you can see, $150 payment successfully was sent to me, and another one which is July. As you can see right here, $150 payment successful. So guys, you can also do the same. All right. So now, if you want to write, all right, even if you do not have experience, of course, I'll teach you how you can do this. All right, we have different web novel platforms that you can actually make use of. So now the first one right here, which is GoodNovel. So guys, now you simply want to go through their writers reward plan right here, so to actually get yourself familiarized with this platform. All right, so now you only need 5,000 words to apply for a contract. Of course, guys, you simply get paid to write right here on this platform. So if you do not know how to write, do not worry. I'll have a workflow for you. I'll explain how you can get access to it. All right, so please stick with me. All right, so now you only need 5,000 words to apply for a contract. And now GoodNovel offers two types of contract as following. They have the exclusive and the non-exclusive. All right, so now this is what you are getting with exclusive: signing bonus plus commission bonus plus monthly attainer bonus plus standing out bonus. All right, so guys, now for the non-exclusive, you'll be getting $50 right here. You must take note of this requirements right here. The word count, you have to take note of this. So guys, now you can watch my previous video. I made a video on this already. Now they have the exclusive reward right here. So this is what you'll be getting. So when you are contracted right here on this platform, $100 will be added to your account when your exclusive book reaches 30k words. So that is the first one, and another one you'll be getting is $150 every month. All right, so guys, you be getting this $150 every month if you know what you are doing. All right, so now and I'll show you how you can actually do this. All right, so please don't go nowhere. Make sure you stick with me right to the end of this video. So now, after receiving the first 3 times of MAB from GoodNovel, the MAB reward from the fourth onwards will be influenced by your monthly profit share. So guys, you want to take note of this. You can literally be getting this every month. All right, $150 every month from GoodNovel. But now from the fourth one onwards, you need to at least earn $20. All right, so you need people to actually read your story on the GoodNovel and earn $20. with the monthly requirement right there before you can earn $150 for the fourth month onwards. All right, so now we have the completion bonus right here, which is $250, 325, 400, and so on. So we have the standing out bonus, which is $1,000 dollars right here. If you are really serious, you can definitely get this. All right, so it's all about determination. All right, so this first one you can make use of. If you are getting value, please, I want you to please like. All right, it is very important, and comment logic. I will know that okay, you are with me. All right, so now another one is MoboReader. So now MoboReader is another wonderful platform. So as you can see right here, benefits for exclusive works right here, benefits. So now you are getting this as your standing bonus, but this is a little bit different from GoodNovel, right? So because your book reaches at least 50,000 words and the accumulated number of views on MoboReader during 3 months must exceed 3,000 words right here. So now your book reaches at least 50,000 words. The accumulated number of views on MoboReader during 3 months must exceed 5,000 words. So now you'll be able to earn this $100 signing bonus. So you can see that this is a little different from GoodNovel, right? So now the monthly bonus right here, so you can earn from $100 to 150, which is simply amazing. But guys, you want to take note of this right here, the requirements right here. All right, so now the completion bonus, you'll be getting this, the excellence bonus. This is simply amazing, guys. This is simply amazing, and all this you can literally do by making use of my workflow. All right, so you can do this by yourself. All right, you can do this, but if you just want to skip try and error, if you just want to use what is already working, my exact method. All right, if you don't want to stress yourself, you just want to start writing almost immediately, you can simply use my method. I'll show you how you can get access to this. All right, so now this is the second platform right there, and another one which is simply called Hopwriter. Guys, you can literally earn right there provided you are serious. So now let's look at the what you can get on the Hopwriter. So now as you can see, you can get up to 12,500 for your creative process, and of course completion bonus, which is up to $4,000. All right, so now when people read your book, you are getting 50%. All right, pay to read right here on the Hopwriter, and writing bonus up to 2,000 right here. So now you can also join contests and earn this amount right here. If you are interested in using my workflow, all right, so I actually made a PDF that you can make use of and start writing. Even if you are a beginner and you do not know how to write, I have a simple PDF workflow that can simply guide you on how to get started and start working as a writer. All right, so you can simply go to the description of this video. You are going to see this link right there. So guys, you simply want to click on it and get this PDF. All right, so now it's just 5,000 naira instead of 20,000 naira. And if you're a Nigerian, I want you to get this as soon as possible. If you realize right here that for Nigerians it is just 5,000 naira, so you still want to be fast about this and get this. Of course, you get my WhatsApp link in the description of this video, so you can always reach out to me if you are confused about anything. All right, so if you are from Ghana, Tanzania, and so on, you can come here, change your currency right here and pay. All right, but if you are unable to pay, you can simply go to the second link right here, uh right here. So if you are from USA, Canada, UK, or anywhere, you can simply make use of this and pay and get access to this almost immediately. And also you can reach out to me on WhatsApp if you want one-on-one class. I want me to guide you and teach you almost everything I know. For the class, you are simply going to pay 20,000 naira. All right, so guys, I'll be leaving my WhatsApp link in the description of this video, so simply click on it. You'll be able to reach out to me and we are going to get started from there. All right, so guys, if you actually got value from this video, please guys, like, subscribe, and also share this video with a friend out there. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you right in the next one.